Okay, shower time now. So, you ready? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Wilbur. No. Good boy. Good boy, Wilbur. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yay! Good boy. Doesn't really like having a shower, but won't go in water really at all. So you have to do it like this for him. He's getting a bit used to it now. Good boy, Wilbur. It's nice and warm. Yes, the room temperature's warm as well. Good boy, Wilbur. Good boy, Wilbur. Is that nice? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, Wilbur. Good boy, Wilbur. Good boy. It's getting better. So usually he flies away about 5 times, but he's getting used to it now. Good boy, he's getting big boy now, which is good. I'm sorry, is it going in your nose? I've got to get you to have a good wash. Good boy, because you're molting as well, aren't you? Right. I think you've had enough now. Good boy. Good boy. Get a nice soft towel as well. And I'll give him a little bit of a wipe. Good boy. There you go, it's a good boy. Good boy. I'm just going through the back. Good boy, Wilbur. In a minute, let's get this done. Good boy. Hello. Hello, beautiful. Good boy. Hello. Use this bottle here, and it's pump, so it gives a good mist spray, and he's getting used to it. It took a long time, but he's getting used to it, so that's good. Say bye bye, bye bye.